Hello everyone, here in this video we'll discuss how to fix Apple Music not working on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. If you have installed Apple Music application on your Chromebook, now it is not working, then you can simply follow this troubleshooting method. First of all, simply open Apple Music application, then click on this three-dot icon, then click on App Info. Now here click on Cookies and Site Data. Now click on Manage On-Device Site Data and delete site data from apple.com, music.apple.com. Then click on Done. Then click on Reload. And after that, simply sign in with your Apple account. Also make sure you have Apple Music subscription. However, if you are still not able to use Apple Music application, then you can simply reinstall the application. For that, click on Launcher icon. Then click on Settings. Now here click on Apps option. Then click on Manage Your Apps option. Now here look for Apple Music, select it, then click on Uninstall. And here simply select Also Delete Browsing Data, then click on Uninstall button. After that, simply open Chrome browser, visit music.apple.com, then click on three-dot icon. Here click on Save and Share. Now click on Create Shortcut. Name the shortcut as Apple Music, then click on Open as Window, then click on Create. And this will reinstall Apple Music application on your Chromebook. You can simply access it from the App Launcher. For that, click on App Launcher icon, and here we have the Apple Music application. Now sign into your account and you are ready to use it. So that's it. This is how you can fix Apple Music not working on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.